व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद है कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है साइंस का सब्जेक्ट है एनर्जी एंड इट्स फॉर्म्स। तो आज हम अपने इस टॉपिक के बारे में पढ़ेंगे एनर्जी एंड इट्स फॉर्म। एनर्जी मेक्स चेंज पॉसिबल्स, वी यूज इट while doing things. Cars along the roads and boats over the water. It cook our foods and froze in the freezers. It plays your favorite songs on the radio and the lights our homes. Energy is needed for our bodies to grow. Scientists defines energy as energy is the ability to do work. This is the definition of the energy. And the next point is the form of energy. Energy is found in different forms such as an example, let light, heat, chemical energy, etc. We can put all the forms of energy into two categories, potential and kinetic. The first point is the potential energy. The potential energy is the energy that is stored in an object of its position. It is written as Pe in the short form. When we stretch a rubber band or shift a stone to some high, energy is stored in this object. This energy is called potential energy. A brick on the ground cannot do any work, but when we raise the same brick, energy is stored in it. The brick can do work due to the potential energy. The energy is the wound up spring of a toy car is an potential energy. This energy can cause the toys to move the car. When we put a stone in the slings of catapult and stretch its rubber, potential energy stores in it. These energies can throw away the stones. The hands of mechanical watch move due to the potential energy stored in its spring. There are the several different forms of potential energy. The next point is the chemical energy. Chemical energy is the form of the potential energy. It is stored in batteries and fuels such as coal, petrol, and natural gas. Food, fuels, and batteries release chemical energy as the result of the chemical reaction. The next point is stored chemical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy stored in the object by the application of force. Compressed springs and structured rubber bands possesses stored chemical energy. Gravitational energy, the next point. The gravitational energy is the energy stored in an object. Due to its height, when we raise a brick up to the some height, it possesses gravitational energy. The nuclear energy is the energy stored in the nucleus of an atom. Every very large amount of energy can be released when a nucleus of an atom splits. And now the second topic is kinetic energy. Now we discuss the kinetic energy. Energy is the body in a body due to its motions is called kinetic energy. A moving bus and running tap water possesses kinetic energy. It is written as Ke. The amount of kinetic energy depends on the mass of the object and its speed. A train has more kinetic energy than a car moving at the same speed. The world is full of the movements. Moving objects have the kinetic energy. The moving air or wind has kinetic energy. It can move and swings of three. Flowing water in the river can move things in it. It has kinetic energy. There are several other forms of energy. The next point is heat energy. Heat is the form of energy. It is the movement of the particles, substances. When we heat up an object, its particles move and collide, can move from one place to the other place. Hot cooks or food, it changes liquid and liquids into vapors. The sun is the major source of heat for us. The next point is the light energy. Light is the form of energy. The sun is the major source of light for us. Light helps plants to make food. Some calculators use light energy to work. The light passing through the lens or a camera makes an image on the film. The next point is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the movement of the electrical charges. Electrical charges moving through a wire is called an electricity. We use many appliances at homes which use electricity. Can you name such appliances? Lighting is another example of the electric energy. The next point is the sound energy. Sound is the form also of the energy. Sound energy is produced by vibrating body. Place some pieces of paper on the surface of stereo deck. The sound energy causes the pieces of the paper to move. When you speak, your sound vibrates the eardrums of the listener. The energy is sound is far less than other forms of energy. Thank you so much.